Hey everyone, Dave from Hobby Hack here. We have Kevin Rodel with us. Kevin, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, it's Kevin. I'm up in Brunswick, Maine, and I'm Kevin Rodel Furniture and Design Studio. Basically, Dave's happy with the table, so that's the main point. It came out really well. Um, it is mostly mortise and tenon. Now, the critique I would have is the stretchers at the bottom. They don't have to be so square or thick. They could be narrower so that there's a shoulder where they meet the leg, as there is a shoulder up top at the apron. So the mortise and tenons were a bit heavy and square. They could be thinner because the point is with the mortise and tenon, the strength is in the long grain to long grain joint. Dave also used, because he chose to the pocket joints at the top and the apron, you could also use mortise and tenon there. I would tend to do that because I'm not familiar with pocket joint jigs, but if that's what you want to do, there's always more than one way to get from point A to point B in woodworking. But traditionally, that would be a mortise and tenon joint also. Some of you may be concerned, okay, I've got two mortises coming in, mortise and tenons coming in at 90 degrees to each other. They're going to crash into each other. Yeah, they are. That's inevitable. That's fine. You drill the mortises first, always. And then when you cut the tenons, you just miter or bevel the ends of the tenon at 45 degrees. So where the tenons meet inside that the mortise, they're just missing each other. One important thing that Dave and I did discuss is it's good to have a set of plans or working drawings before you get too far, before you get into a project at all, because from the plans, you will be making up your cut list. And when you do something that has a door or a drawer in it, you make the case first, and then you fit the drawer to the opening in that case. So don't jump ahead if you are waiting for something in clamps to dry and start working on the door or the drawer.
And I appreciate you taking a look at that project for us. We look forward to working with you going forward here. And remember, everybody, our app will be out in May. We're still looking for beta testers to join our team in the April timeframe, and we'll be putting more information out about that. So thanks, everybody, for joining, and we will talk soon.